It's called That Kid. Okay. And I work in a psychiatric center. Okay. No, it's a serious problem. Okay. But now he's grown. Not the victim, more a detective. Recreating an old crime scene with his nephew. Touching the child's genitals. Auditing old sensations. Rehearsing with shuddering muscles and whispers into a crying boy's ear. Later he hates those urges. Memories spewing their napalm. He runs into traffic from the noise and lights of the local men's shelter. The guards pull him back. He is Quicksilver, uncontainable. They call an ambulance, curse the cold, drag his sorry ass to safety. Soon he sits in an emergency room of a crowded hospital. Large glasses, small skull, legs sprawled on dirty plastic chairs. He's the Rorschach test for the staff. Do they see a butterfly or bat, bruise or bullet? Two nurses quarrel. One labels him a predator. Another insists he's a lost soul. This subject sleeps after a shot of Ativan. Psych techs remove both laces and belt. Angst drips through a passing cloud of fear. He is a box of sharks. Yeah.